Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. I hope you all would be doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about all the fruit plants that can be planted in the month of May. But before that, if you're new to this channel or yet not have subscribed to it, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon afterwards so that you'll get the first hand notification whenever I upload a new video. List is no different from the April one. But as May and June are going to be the hottest months of the year, so you need to take extra precaution while planting them. First of all, pots should be placed at a partial shaded location or preferably at a shaded location, but at the same time the area should be well lit so you won't be having leggy seedlings, just like under a big tree or up against a wall. And secondly, the potting mix must remain moist all the time. So let's start the list.